Hi, I'm Joe Polizzi, and this is the Content Inc. podcast. 5 minutes every Monday for content creators who desire to be content entrepreneurs. This podcast is supported by Memberful. As we're finalizing our agenda for CEX, we've had more and more requests for information on memberships. What's not to like? A great source of revenue for creators, ownership of your own data, and build truly loyal audiences. Memberful will help you do that. Get started for free today at memberful.com/contentinc. Just a few hours ago, before I started this recording, I had a call with the one and only Ann Hanley. Ann will be interviewing our closing keynote speaker for Content Entrepreneur Expo on May 7th, and we were going through the process and all the questions and stuff like that. BJ Novak is a very interesting creator. Most people know him as an actor, first for his work on the hit TV series The Office, but I loved his acting roles in Inglourious Basterds by Quentin Tarantino and The Founder with Michael Keaton. But when you review BJ Novak's body of work, he is first and foremost a writer. He started writing in high school, continued that writing in college as a member of the Harvard Lampoon, wrote on 15 episodes of The Office, wrote a screenplay for a movie, which he also directed, and wrote a book of short stories and an amazingly successful children's book, The Book with No Pictures. Simply put, he does all the things a creator does, but it seems he's a writer at heart. Now hold that thought for a second. As I'm working on my CEX keynote, I keep coming back to the power of writing or the power of words. As much as social media, specifically TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, are important for creators out there, we've, at least at the Tilt and CEX, consistently have advocated that these creators need to move their video and audio stuff to the word, specifically email. At least in today's environment, a content entrepreneur has very little control in the audio and visual space. We can't control that communication in almost any way, meaning the platforms and their algorithms give us both access and opportunity and can take it away at the same time. So we work hard to build those audiences on rented land and then hopefully push them to something where we do have some control. Our words. Our words in our email newsletters, our words through our books, our words in our membership sites. Now, could this period of time be a blip? Might this not be the ultimate business model? Now, anything is possible. But I believe, as I have for quite some time, that words and the arrangement of them to tell a story and the consistent manner in which we produce them is the key superpower for content entrepreneurs. I feel that many times CEs get so caught up in the new networks, TikTok and Instagram for the most part, and the seduction of them, that we forget that consistently delivering words to our audience is probably the best thing that we could do. And if we spend more time arranging these words and less time on other platforms, things could and should be financially better. At least this has been true for me. I've been on all the platforms except TikTok, as you know, and the most important things I've ever done are my written articles on the web, my email newsletters, and my books. And this, of course, has led to my speaking opportunities and the live events I'm a part of. Now, when I look at all the speakers coming to CEX and their successes, this seems to be true for them as well. Ask most kids today what they want to be, and they don't say an astronaut anymore. They'll say a YouTuber or an influencer. But maybe they're close. Maybe it should be an arranger of words or a writer instead. I'd love to hear directly from you. Shoot me an email filled with words at jp@thetilt.com and let me know what you think. Until next Monday, have a great week.